Country Mac, 4 in the morning. Shit was overpriced. I just came home from a meeting with Birdman, my lights was off. Back to reality, I like the type of salary you gettin' when you serving up the white, the soft. I don't like this hourly, but I ain't no dope, man. I just maintain and cope, man. It's hard losing one of your folks, man. Shit ain't a joke, I spend a lot of time playing with ropes. Just trying to cope, can I hang forever? Can the rain man change the weather? Can my whole team hang together? I ain't trying to be no president of foreign affairs. Nah, I just want me something foreign to wear. My adversaries say I'm more than prepared. It's just like them. Say some fake shit in my face. When I be seeing them, I'm wanting to fight them, cause I ain't like them. And I be working hard, but when the things gon' change. Every day it's the same shit. I wake up to the same bitch telling me I ain't shit. I'm anxious, when the things gon' change. Every day it's the same shit. I wake up to the same bitch telling me I ain't shit. I'm anxious, when the things gon' change. I swear last summer, man, I swear but now I have 100 grand. I guess money was the object, now it's just another issue that I'm interlocked with the necessary. Cash money make a man legendary. I ain't know if I was ready for that, but my come up, it was heavily mapped, and my mind was already tapped, ready to rap, ready to lap these other motherfuckers, they whack. Series of steps, be the ones that appear to be best, but appearance ain't everything. Possession is 9/10 of the law. What's the chances I'm possessing it all? I'm getting blessings from the one that